Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create these coffee bag designs in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first we have to create these bag designs, and I just used Instagram story Canva as a Canva size. So I just opened a new page and recently used. I used this coffee beans. I just move into a bit closer. I use this cup and also some coffee beans. Moving to down. Yes. And also need some text like this, Arabica and premium quality coffee. This one just a normal text. I just copy pasting like to here and moving this cup a bit lower. But for this second text, I would like to show you how I create it. I just add heading premium quality coffee, and I just moving bit this text a bit down, going to the alignment and closing to the left. Then I go into the spacing and decreasing the line spacing. And changing the font like to this Norwester. That looks really good. I just zooming a bit to see what I'm doing now. Yeah, just increasing the size a bit. And go into the effects, outline, change the outline to black. This looks good. Thickness is just moving to 40. And for the text color, I just choosing the same color as the, more or less the same color as the background, or just picking a color like this. Yeah, I think this one looks really good. Of course, we have to add some brand name if we want, and whatever, or even your own logo. But now this is just a basic tutorial to show how to create this bag design, and then you can play around it with and create your own. Or for these bags you can also use for other products, and you can design whatever you want. But I would like to try something also. I'm duplicating this page and removing the background and searching for some silver element, and I'm using as a background also. And here in this case I have to change the font again. Just find which one. Okay, this one, I think this lighter is the best. Looks really nice. So I just need to download the page 2 and page 3. I'm going to downloads, increasing the size, I mean the quality, as the best as possible. Page 3, I'm downloading it. Also downloading the page 2, not the page 1, page 2. Even the page 1 was, I think, also really nice. A bit different. location, position. Okay, now I'm going to here and going to the upload section and just moving these last two. And add a new page. Now it's both pictures are uploaded. First, I would like to show how to create this paper bag. And I think for this paper bag, this metal background this doesn't really work because it's a paper bag. And but for these ones, for these bags, for sure you already see this kind of coffee bags, which is made from some metal foil, and this is why I tried to create this metal background, and then this bag is really looks like it's just a metal one. So now I'm adding this image, and I will add this image twice. Oh, I just wanted to move it, not crop it. Okay, so click the image, edit, scrolling down until the mockups, and scrolling down until we find the packaging. See all, and start to scrolling down until find this bag. And moving to the left and doing the same with this. Packaging, scrolling down, but now I am using this bag. Try to make it a bit bigger. Yeah, like this. And look what we created. Actually, it's really looks really nice, this paper bag, but I think this particular design is not the best for this paper bag. But actually, this one I will technically creating for the other with the full bag, what I show you in the next step. But also would like to show you to how to create this kind of bags. And here I think better to have it something similar color as this bag, and just add the logo or just add the text, and it's already nice. But you can create as per your imagination or as per your requirements. So I also create a second page and add this brown image to the right and the silver one to the left. So start with this, go into the edit, mockups, again packaging, scrolling down, but now we have to scroll even more further down to find this. I think it's now it works good. Or maybe we can play with the image here and move everything a bit to the right to, that's actually not bad, but maybe to just a bit further from the left side. And now we're doing the same with the silver one. So packaging, scrolling down and find this bag again. And here again I have to do a same trick, just increasing the size of the image a bit. Then I think it's perfect. And opening it, yeah, it's really looks really some kind of metal bag. I think it looks really nice. Of course, you have to add more text if you create for a real one. The quantity, volume, as might be also brand colors, or your logo, or the name of the factory. But now I just wanted to show you how easy it works, how to create your own. At the moment, for this example, a coffee bag, but of course you can create for tea, also for any sweets or whatever you want to use. And it's a pretty amazing. I really like this technique, and I would like to show you one small thing. Now I have to need one more page. Go into the uploads again, add this brown, and before using the mockup, I just removing the background. What to see now? And now going to the edit, mockups, and doing the same. Packaging, scrolling to down. Doing the same things as with the others. Apply changes. Just need to change the background because it's the background was white, and also the background of the bag is also white, and it's also looks really nice. And as you can see, even in the text, you can see that the background was really nicely removed. So I also really like this thing. Might be small mix-ups here in this top, or not always working perfectly, this background remover thing. But if I click on edit again, I can edit the mockup what I created. And here what I would like to show you also, the color, we can change the color to any. Like now this pink, which is not a nicest color for this coffee bag, but you can imagine we can add anything else also in this bag, and this is how we can also create this. But of course, I know we can also modify the background on the original image, but this is also works very well here. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I miss anything from this tutorial, or you miss anything from my tutorials, or if struggling anything in a Canva, or you would like to see some particular tutorial, what you are struggling on it, just let me know in the comment section, and I try to answer as soon as possible, or creating a tutorial as your wish. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for image generations for different kind of AI application. So if you also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. As I mentioned already, you can find the link in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.